Oh, my brothers and sisters, it is a joy to say to you this morning, it's the freaking weekend, baby! Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. We made it through another weekend. Did you like my Nigerian accent at the beginning? Yes, I am very African today. I am so happy, I am so happy. And I'm happy for you because you made it through to the end of the week. If you belong to the SouFLoTV family, right, you know that there is no giving up. Say it with me. No giving up. I am not a quitter and I am not giving up. All right? Winning is the only option. We fall down 100 times, we get up 101. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Should I say morning thoughts? Morning thoughts, morning thoughts. I hope you go out there and have a splendid weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Surround yourself with people that love you, people that genuinely care for you, people that lift your vibration, people that give food to your soul, all right? Don't be around people that are going to suck you dry and leave you feeling depressed and lonely. You can be lonely in a group of people. Do you know that? And that's one of the worst feelings in the world, is to be lonely in a group, to be lonely surrounded by people that you think or thought would make you feel like you belong, like you're fulfilled, and yet you're lonely. That's why it's important to find that fulfillment within one's self. That way, you can be in a group and still feel not a part of the group, but still feel full. You can be alone and still feel full, contented, and entertained. All right? Now, what I'm going to talk about this morning is nothing much. I just want to say a couple of things that's been going on. Like, a lot of people have been calling and saying, yo, SouFlo, where are the calls, man? How come you're not going live anymore? And all this. All right. For the entire summer, I had to take that time off. You notice me and the wife, we used to go live a lot, right? And we took the summer off from going live because sometimes real life takes over this kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? And I love my audience, and I give you videos and I give you quality content on a daily basis. But we had to take some time off because we had all the kids, all our children, all the children in one house. So little Kai had all his siblings around him for the entire summer. It just ended because we took the two older boys back to Georgia yesterday. And today we are now able to say, with school coming up and all that, now we get that space where we can go live again and sit and have these discussions with these call-ins. So if you're familiar with when we go live, the topics we touch on and so on and so forth, then be sure to get ready because the lives are going to be exciting again, and you will be able to call in. Yo, SouFlo, this is how I feel about this and that. There's so much to talk about. So much has been going on. Even this week, if you notice, this week I didn't do any videos per se on the killings in Jamaica and all that because it seems like it was ramped up even more. And someone said to me, boy, SouFlo, I know you have to, I know you got to do these videos, right? Because you want people to be aware and so on and so forth. But this has got to be draining to you. And honestly, it is draining. And I've said that before. I mean, you wake up every day. We ourselves who view these things start to become desensitized to it. I notice that even my audience members, the people who say positivity and upliftment, if they don't get that news from my channel, they go find some other channel. And YouTube has a way now where YouTube says, SouFLoTV subscribers also watched this. So yeah, YouTube, I tell Paul. But yeah, ain't no problem. The pie is big enough for all of us to share. But and I'm saying, man, I'm not doing these stories 1 woman killed. 2 women found dead in the house, execution style. 2 more women found dead, and it goes on and on and on. This guy's on the run. He left this one on the sidewalk. That. And I'm saying to myself, man, this is too much. I need a break from all the killy stuff. Guess what? The people who claim that they want to hear only positivity and stuff, that's what they're actually hooked on. They're hooked on hearing the drama. They're hooked on hearing about the killings and all that. And they're hooked on going into those comment section and saying, what a wicked boy. Oh, he must burn. And that stuff, it drains you after a while. And it makes you desensitized because every single day we are putting it. Now, listen, I'm not going to stop. I started this. Other vloggers weren't even talking about what's going on in Jamaica as far as killings and stuff go. Majority of our vloggers were doing dancehall music and mix up and blender, who's sleeping with whose wife, who fight who diss who, and all that. It was I who said, nah, there's too many killings going on in small Jamaica and the island is filled with guns, and it seems like those who we've put in the position of power to spearhead, to lead, to make things better for the citizens, they don't give a rat's behind. They don't care at all. So maybe if I use this platform to expose everything, because I also noticed that mainstream media out of Jamaica, and this was 3 years ago, 4 years ago now, mainstream media out of Jamaica was not carrying certain things. They weren't saying everything that was happening, right? And I kept telling people, yo, people are dead in Jamaica like flies. And they're like, oh boy, stop make Jamaica look bad. Nobody not dead down here. Everybody good. And I'm like, what? Where am I getting my news from then? So I started exposing everything. Monday, this happened. Tuesday, this happened, until it got to a point where my channel was known as the bad news channel. Or because every time they flicked it on, people have said that to me, SouFlo. Every time I flick on your channel, me hear somebody dash away. Our next person dead. Somebody else killed over here. So somebody dead over there. Tie-dye, man, you can't find no good news. And mind you, I'm bringing good news. I'm bringing information to people. Videos where I would put up that says 5 steps to get yourself debt-free completely and save money. It was called my shoebox plan. And I did that video first. And I did another video about the killings, and the killings went way more views. To this day, I don't think the shoebox plan video has that many views on it. Were people actually interested in finding out how to become debt-free, how to better their credit, how to own things instead of pretending on Instagram that you own things, how to actually have money in the bank, and how to flip your money into savings? No. They were more interested in that type of a news than they are in stuff that would uplift them. And I noticed that, right? And I've done many more videos. So it's not like I wasn't bringing good quality content that had nothing to do with the murders and killings and dramas and whatnot. But I've realized that this is what people wants to hear. I didn't do it as entertainment. It was supposed to be alarming, shocking. Oh my God. Okay, let's get together. Let's form. Remember when tourists were getting dashed left, right, and center? And we had to shine the light on that, right? All right. So we did all that. It was with the hopes that we would all come together on one platform and make our voices be heard and put together something like a petition and contact the right people and knock them on the shoulder and say, hey, Mr. Holness, look, 150,000 signatures on this petition. These are all Jamaicans that live outside of Jamaica but visit Jamaica regularly or have family still here. We're concerned. This is our concern. That's the aim. And I hope everybody else who took all that and ran with it, I hope they take this and run with it as well. Put together the petition. Put together a good cause to headline the petition, and I will put my platform up against that, and I'm sure my good people, my brothers and sisters on SouFLoTV will actually be there to ride with us through this. You know, SouFLoTV started out, I remember my son saying, Good morning, kings and queens. That's what my son said when SouFLoTV first started. And my brothers and sisters were called kings and queens on SouFLoTV. If you notice, I use terms like brothers and sisters. I use terms like kings and queens. I use terms like family, fam, manners and respect, love and honor. You know what I'm saying? Those kind of things. Because that's how I was raised. Good Clarendon family, that's how I was raised. And that's what we wanted. We wanted what we have now, this family. All right? And let our family stand for something. Now, in the beginning of this video, I said that we had to take a break for the summer and we're going to be back with the lives. Stay tuned for the lives. It ain't going to be all about killing. I don't want to do the channel like that. Also, BRAINS&THEBEAT. If you're not subscribed to BRAINS&THEBEAT, go ahead and subscribe because we're going to switch that format up. As our children grow older, we no longer want to parade them on social media like that, show their everyday moves, their vacation time. And we realize also that I don't know if it's rubbing some people the wrong way or they just don't like to see certain people happy or all that. So you don't want to give people too much insight into your personal life. So we're going to switch that channel. So for those of you who haven't seen the family videos, go watch them because they will soon be gone. We're going to private a lot of those videos and we're going to switch that channel over into a channel where we say what we want to say, because there are other things that we can talk about and discuss on that channel as well. All right. Now stay with us. Stay with us. It's been a beautiful ride so far, and we appreciate you being here. Manners and respect, people. I love you genuinely, for all the good, clean-hearted people out there. And where is my manners? Because I'm supposed to start this video out by saying, shout out to my people going out to work this morning. Shout out to my people coming in from work this morning. Shout out, extra special, big up, shout out to the people who work 2 jobs, or them people who run those doubles. Man, I respect you to the fullest because I know what that is. All right? Shout out to my entrepreneurs, my truck drivers, my drivers, the Ubers, the Lyft, my stay-at-home moms and pops, retirees. Shout out to every single person that has a clean heart, clear conscience, and want good for other people just as much as you want good for yourself. You know, some people wicked enough. Some people will tell you about, yo, SouFlo, yes, man, me pray for you every day. And secretly, they praying for your downfall every day. I'm not talking about those kind of people. I'm not talking about the people that wish you well to your face, but genuinely pray that you fail behind your back. I'm talking about people who have such a clean heart that they can look at other people and say, you know, someone want them to do good. I hope they do good. I hope they're blessed. I hope they're blessed and all their endeavors are successful. That kind of person you are, you're a good person. And I salute you. Manners and respect to you. All right? What else do I have to say before I go? I cut this video short right now, but Emancipation Day was yesterday. Big up Jamaica. Happy Emancipation Day. If only we could just emancipate ourselves from mental slavery, just like the great Bob Marley said. If only we could. If only we could. But the struggle proves to be a struggle. So we continue to fight the good fight and put one foot before the other and move forward. Yeah? And in love. In love. I'm going to leave it right there for now. Bless up, people. Have a wonderful weekend. All right? And remember, we say up, 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 which means wake up, wise up, and rise up. All right? I'm out. Peace.